Hi guys, welcome to another episode of SNG Big Questions. Hi, this is Varun. I'm Adar.
I'm Kautuk.
I'm Kautuk.
Why did you not let us say our own name?
Yeah,
This is Varun.
Yes.
I'm Varun, no, everyone knows.
This is Varun. I'm Adar. That's Kautuk and that's Varun.
That's
And you are watching Big Question with AIB.
Yes. Okay. Today we're going to discuss. A question that has been sent in by Bharat Narang, and it's
How big is your penis?
Yeah.
And this question is
It's going to be a very short episode.
Only for him.
For the extended version.
Okay. So yeah, the question Bharat has sent us is things that Indians do that we hate. So guys,
I like how we say things that Indians do, whereas we
things
are
that we are.
We are above.
Sahibs.
But I'm just quoting Bharat.
Okay, so I have first thing. Reproduce. I detest the fact that we reproduce at the rate that we do. What is it about Indian sperm? The need to get into vaginas. Why?
and then blossom.
Because, yeah. It's amazing.
I don't think sperm and blossom have been used.
Yesterday I was going for a jog, my annual jog last night.
Yeah,
And I saw this family from like it was
jogging?
No, they were walking
This is coming out of the theater. Or
outside the Haryana temple near my house. Okay, it was a father, with his wife, grandfather, with the grandmother, 4 of them, and 8 kids.
How do you know they're all his?
How do you?
Why are they wandering around? They're all dressed like each other.
They've gone to stay at his house.
Yeah, cousins,
There are
the
many
whole family.
permutations and
Maybe they're
combinations, KD.
But it's still
Why are there 8 cousins?
still a lot of kids.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
And
Too many fucking people.
There's
Yeah,
just too many people, and so my thing is like we gotta stop fucking each other, man.
No, that's not the
Fuck
solution.
each other with
That
confidence.
is, that is the solution.
There's
Yeah, fuck each
contraception.
other as much you want.
Okay, so you hate population.
So
which
so number one thing for us, what annoys our Indians is how we are too many of us. We're just way too many,
I agree.
and we are eating our resources. We're digging ourselves into a hole. Right now, we have drought in one area, we have floods in another area. It's chaos, and we are not able to take care of our borders. We're not able to take care of our people. We have no social security. It's like a Royal Rumble.
Yeah, if anything goes.
It's anything goes. Till
एक ladder चढ़ रहा है, एक आदमी ladder चढ़
The
रहा है.
only thing left is referee Earl Hebner to come in and count out Stone Cold.
yeah.
90s kids will remember.
No, but it's great you brought this up because most of the other things that annoy us stem from this. You know.
But
Like,
yeah,
this
I
is
think
the
population
mothership.
is the root cause of everything, right?
Yeah.
If there was fewer people, there would be fewer
queues.
annoying assholes on the road.
Yeah.
Which means lesser tension and irritation for the others. I think that life would be a lot easier in India if everyone decided to just wait a second. Okay,
You mean we're
everyone can
impatient?
just- yeah. Otherwise, everyone says, maybe, मेरे को भी maybe घुसेगा अंदर. No.
Have you guys
मैं
noticed this?
अंदर
When the
नहीं
lift opens, let's say you're inside the lift going down, lift opens, there's like 8 people with you. Lift opens, there's 4 people out there, they all look at, oh, and they stop.
Yeah.
They're surprised to see people inside the lift.
I'm so shocked. I thought this lift has nobody. And it's only for
this
me.
lift is exclusively for mine.
I also hate people. I think, and this is mainly in Bombay, obviously, because I've seen everyone, all the guys, whoever's driving, not guys, people in general, have something that they perfected called the look.
The look.
You know, because while driving, there's AC on. You know, so the other person can't hear you cuss at them. So there has to be that look that everyone's perfected.
I've kind of perfected the saying.
Yeah.
I make sure that he can read my lips.
Because more often than not, people are always yelling
Yeah.
inside, right? Inside
Yeah.
the guy, bhaicho chuti. Arey, he can't hear you by window. नीचे कर पहले.
इसको mime करके बोल mime करके.
You know, I like that, what you said about the look, because I've noticed this when I drive my car, people don't even look at me now. Okay, like they want to cut me, they're looking at the front of my car. They just want to see whether they can cut me or not. Have you seen
Yeah.
this? Has this happened to you guys?
Yeah.
It's a very weird thing. We just look at the.
No, but that's the nod. The rickshaw walas do the nod. Have you seen the nod? Like,
No. Fuck the rickshaw walas. Fuck the rickshaw. Okay.
nod that happens.
Wait, guys.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
Hashtag fuck the rickshaw.
Fuck the rickshaw. Hashtag fuck the rickshaw.
Rickshaws are vehicular cockroaches, first of all.
Yeah,
Okay,
they
they look
are.
like cockroaches. Secondly, rickshaw can only go 40 kilometers an hour. Whatever, it's a small engine.
Then they start racing with each
No,
other.
they're racing. They're blocking the one guy racing the other guy. They're blocking you. You're in your car, you go 120. Then he'll move to the left. He'll move to the left, and then he'll do this. He'll stick his hand out and do.
हाँ था भाई आप चले जाओ
Mother chod!
Chutiya.
That boils, that really grinds my gears, basically.
No, the most annoying is when they also do this. Okay, they'll you tell them the place. Okay, मेरे को Bandra जाना है. They do, and then they fuck off. I'm like, what is?
क्या सिर्फ बांद्रा जा रहा है? तू जो साइन नहीं जा सकता क्या? इसी का
Like, why are you judging me because I want to go to Bandra? Why is that me?
Okay, I do this. Sometimes I just go like if I have to go like somewhere in Andheri, I have to go to Juhu or something, but I know the rickshaw walas won't take me. So I just go, I go Bandra and then Juhu में पहुँच के, अरे क्या हुआ? अच्छा,
always,
अरे बॉस Juhu.
always.
And you have
Dude,
to
the thing is, you have to
Just
obviously
so
overfake
that
it,
your
right?
feelings don't get hurt.
I think that's the worst acting I've ever done in my life.
Surely.
हाँ, hello, हाँ इधर उतर जाओ क्या?
I
लेकिन
want-
यार नहीं, then I try and make the रिक्शा वाला feel that I'm on his side.
On his side.
अरे bro ऐसे कैसे बोला? मैंने रिक्शा पकड़ ली भी, उनको मैंने बैंड्रा बोला और तुम पहले उतर जाओ. Shit यार. चल ठीक है, अभी तू ऑप्शन नहीं तो मैं यही कर लेता.
Hey, that's wrong. That's not the worst acting you've done.
But the weird thing
movie called
is,
जब तक ये जान.
Yeah.
इसमें एक्टिंग किया किधर bro? Hardly कुछ था.
but the weird thing is that we all think that we're the first person to do this to him.
Everybody
This
does
is
it.
probably the 8th time it's happening that
Dude,
day.
They've told me also, they're like, क्या तुम लोग गलत है, हम लोगों को नहीं मालूम है सर, ऐसे मालूम है तो then I get angry. I'm like, तो बहनचोद तू क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि तू आता नहीं है. That's another thing about rickshaw wala. Since this episode is about rickshaw wala, all of a sudden, you know, I get really freaked out once you stop. You are paying the guy, right? And then he has to give you change.
Yeah.
And obviously, every rickshaw wala's change comes from the very inside of his appearance. So he'll always somewhere he's hitting the chutta, right? And he'll take out and he'll
There's a
give it to you.
pube just hanging out of it.
I just
I
I
don't
want to
know
let
what
him
it-
keep.
like, pube
I want to
नहीं
let him keep the
खराब
73
experience
rupees, but I'm like, you know.
तू 100 रख ले यार.
You know, another problem with having too many people is that when you drive around on the road, right, you'll see a lot of people standing around doing nothing.
Yeah.
They're just standing there like just scratching. Yeah. Like that's the आज
It's
का
a fight.
Monday है bro. आज उधर जाके खुजली करने का. And they just there.
You know, when
They
you go
don't
to a
do
toll
anything.
naka, when you go to toll naka, especially when you go to that अपन का
Fuck,
okay,
C-Link.
Yeah, yeah,
C-Link,
It's like passing the parcel.
there are 3 dudes at every naka. Okay, one dude is to give you the
Yeah.
change.
Yeah,
One dude is to hand you the change.
Yes.
One dude is this guy.
Yeah. Like if you didn't say that, you would just like take a right and
Yeah,
crash into
like, oh, thank you for telling me to go straight. I was thinking of going straight to the car behind me.
Left. ऐसे लिया पैसा.
Oh, you mean I can't go into the water?
Damn it!
Yeah, a lot of people doing nothing. And these guys, right, then they become lawyers.
Yeah.
If you notice, all these guys who don't do anything on the road, na, they wait for an
They're
accident
lawyer.
or a fight to happen.
Not
Yeah,
lawyer.
They come here.
Yeah, क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ?
एक मिनट. आप पहले बोलो. Hey, like, who the fuck are you? You were just scratching your balls 3
Dude, they
seconds
become
back.
judges.
Okay, now this one accident that I had seen about the guys, the lawyers, the road ke. This
Rakhwale.
accident, yeah. So this is massive divider and a car rammed and it's traffic. तो गाड़ी वाले की गलती थी full on. He hit the rickshaw. The rickshaw is toppled on top of the fucking divider. Rickshaw wala has fallen out. I go out. I pull the rickshaw wala out because it's right in front, like right in front of my car. I pull the rickshaw wala out. उसको बिठाया. One guy comes. The rickshaw is on top of a fucking divider. आता है पूछा क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? चूतिया.
In his world, a rickshaw ulta on the fucking divider is
Pretty
normal.
normal. Yeah, it's a Thursday.
And you know, here's the thing.
have to.
We cockblock ourselves so much when we're driving because of the problem. I've noticed any 4-way junction. Have you noticed this?
Yeah.
Where you're stuck here, they're stuck here, he's stuck here, everyone is stuck
I was thinking, you know, like that.
No,
and
you
he
see
goes
that one ray of hope.
Then he goes, pam.
Then you know what will happen? Then one guy will show up, one human, you know, one nice guy.
Logical, sane person.
He'll be like, go back. 5 minutes later, he's like, fuck all of you all. No,
No, but that's the thing, right? I think India is probably the only country, I mean, apart from the other less privileged
Other
countries,
countries.
Pakistan.
who need a dude to stand under the signal and tell you that it's a red light.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
like, you'll only see them here. Nowhere else have I seen them. If it's a red light, fucking people stop.
People understand.
No, yeah, people know red means rukja.
Yeah.
Right?
You know that
Here
stop
you have a
signs.
pandu.
No man, stop signs. People stop for stop signs.
Here's another thing I hate. Okay, like I really hate this. I hate motorbikes who get onto the footpath. I hate them.
Yes.
Those guys are
Yeah.
motherfuckers.
Hey, where else are they supposed to ride their bike? Okay,
I
Yeah,
know.
man.
please, that's
Like-
the bike lane.
And here's the
Just
thing. Okay,
doesn't
like
say-
we have only like 2 inches of footpath, okay, to begin with. Like our footpaths aren't footpaths, they're obstacle courses.
But then there are idiots who don't use the footpath also, na? Because there's
It's
an
reverse,
empty
right?
footpath.
We use roads. We use roads like footpaths, and we use footpaths like
as roads. Yeah.
Because people sometimes walk on the road like their dad fucking physically made it. They just have this gay abandon, and like they're going to hit your car.
And when you honk at them, they're surprised. No?
अरे
Like,
गाड़ी
गाड़ी?
नहीं, there are people who go, क्या है? मतलब चूतिया रास्ता है, मैं गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ यहाँ पे.
Oh yeah, here's what I'll say. So last weekend, right? I went for a yacht ride with a bunch of my friends. Any country, city in the world, right, which has a water body next to it, flourishes. Obviously, right? They will also use it well. So I went for this yacht ride, right? On the side, this is Gateway, and on the side, looks beautiful. Fuck, Gateway, must, ye wo. You look down, and there is just
Scum.
This entire space full of plastic bottles just floating together. Huh? It's a installation. It's almost like that. It's just like ऐसे पानी वाने and this and
There's like one guy in the corner peeing also.
just standing.
Inside
Get
the
this, 3,000 dudes just standing and looking at people get on a yacht. Because I was waiting and I'm looking up and I'm looking at what they're looking at, and it's just people come, they get on a yacht, and other people just look at them like that. And they were there for an hour.
You know what this is, right?
Like,
This is Bombay सपनों की शहर. This is like एक दिन मैं भी.
अबे उसका सपना क्या ट्रॉलर पे चढ़ना है? Fuck all.
नहीं, but
He's just there and looking. Wow. This is so nice.
You know, another thing that annoys me is how we don't give a crap about public property. In general. You know, and the whole idea that the house inside our homes should be spick and span, beautiful walls, furniture. But as soon as we walk out, it's not my business anymore. You know, George Carlin had this great thing. He used to call it NIMBY. NIMBY. It's called Not in My Backyard. Jo karna hai karo. Not in my backyard. You know, and so it's a very Indian thing. And that really got me thinking of how we as Indians, you know, like for example, my mom says, I have no problem if someone is gay. It doesn't bother me. As long as I'm not gay. As long as I'm not gay, everything is good.
yeah.
And that's one thing where we are when it comes to other people, and the rules for other people are so different for ourselves, and that's the problem. Where every Marwadi thinks the Marwadis are best, Punjabis think
Everyone has
Punjabis
this
are best.
false sense of entitlement.
Yeah.
You know, there's like, I need this, I should get this.
Yeah.
How am I not getting it? I should
Yeah.
get this. How are you getting it? I should get.
We have a system that's so broken. What annoys me about the system is that we are one earthquake, one cyclone, one calamity away from complete chaos. We live in a city called Mumbai, and you guys watching and have your own cities and your own problems to deal with. But something happens, who's looking out for you?
Yeah, I don't trust the BMC to deal with like a natural disaster.
Are you kidding me?
Dude, did you know?
BMC another one. Remember, we saw this. So in Bombay, what happens is a lot of times on the roads you have manhole covers, and they get stolen and sold in black, right?
Yeah.
Like those.
Yeah.
And it happens very often. So like it would happen once, and then BMC would replace it with another one. That gets stolen, they replace with another one. Fifth time they're like, fuck everybody. They just put a tree inside.
A bamboo or a tree.
This is the manhole, right?
Yeah.
And there's a tree.
Then it's seriously, there's no, like, the thing is accountability. There's no accountability, right? Today's citizens, there's no incentive to citizens not to bribe somebody.
Yeah.
That's what's annoying to me is that, you know, we all fight against corruption because corruption is a headless monster. But when you say XYZ is corrupt, that's the problem. Then you take so we all say, all four of us agree corruption is bad.
Yes.
Yes. But all four of us will give 100 rupees to the mama to get out of the ticket.
Yes.
Of course, because there is no process, dude.
There is a process.
Yeah, you know what the process
I have
is?
done it.
Yeah.
I have also done
Challan,
it. One day I was all like, fuck
RTO.
you. You know what? You can keep my license. I'll go to the court. Worst fucking 6 hours of my life.
Yeah.
After that, anybody will turn into corruption. You go to the Babu's office once.
It is a vicious
Anybody
cycle.
will be like, chal, मैं तेरे को 100 क्या 200 रुपया देगा.
So it seems like it's a catch-22, right?
Yeah,
Where
so-
we have apparently. So I was reading last week in one of the news articles websites. We right, the current system right now needs 7 lakh more judges to finish. I think we are behind by about 1,000 years or something like that.
Yeah,
Our
yeah,
cases
yeah.
are like 500 to 1,000 years behind. So what I think the government is banking on is the people who file the case die. So that they won't have to pursue the case. That's the game plan of the government. I hope everybody dies.
मर जाए.
सारे मर जाएगा और केस बंद हो जाएगा. We want to deal with it.
But here's another thing, which is key. Like you only realize how ingrained it is in you. All these things, or some of the negative things as well, only when you go abroad. You know, like for example, like I went abroad and like over there, like you have designated spaces from where you can cross, right? Like the zebra crossings.
No, we have zebra crossing in this country.
so- You just
can't except they're meant for actual zebras, not for human
like,
beings.
Like here, you just cross any whenever you want. Chalo, abhi.
Here you do the Hitler.
Yeah, yeah, you do. So
Everything, you the confused answer, all of that. The same thing. Are you talking about the signal where in foreign countries you have a button that you press
Yeah.
and you wait on one side
And people wait.
and you wait till automatically it figures out how much time you're supposed to wait, then lets the signal go red
yeah,
and then the cars stop.
yeah,
First time in the UK, I said I didn't even know something like that existed.
Yeah.
I fucking walked across,
Huh.
and collectively 15 people have gasped. Wait, what are you doing? And I turned around, like, what happened? And they're like, you're supposed to wait. Like, I'm having this conversation while there are cars going around me, and people are just like, how is this guy not dead yet? I'm like, bro, dude, this is Tuesday in India. Fucking
No, there's another thing that annoys me, especially topics here, are matrimonial columns. They really, really annoy me because it shows how racist we are very
Oh, yeah.
blatantly.
Yeah.
There's not. It's not even now. We're not even trying to hide it anymore, right? And the
Need
fact,
graduate, fair girl who can cook.
and the second part is how lonely we are. In a country of 1.3,
Yeah.
1.4 billion people, how alone people are.
Just by the number of dating apps that we have now.
Yeah. So it tells me that what's happened is because of arranged marriage is because there are no social skills. The idea of a man talking to a woman in a social
Is mummy.
I love the
Mummy,
idea to
meko
tackle
bhi
this.
lana
Yeah.
na
Tell
ek.
them about the all caste.
So my idea to tackle this is, first of all, you have to ban intercaste marriage. You cannot get married to somebody in your own caste. To take care of these problems, you have to get married to somebody outside your own caste. With 100 years, there's no Marwadi, Punjabi, everybody is one.
Everyone will become everyone.
Everybody, and the motto should be everybody fuck everybody.
Yeah.
You know, which contradicts my earlier statement to stop fucking so much.
Everybody fucks everybody with a condom on.
Yeah, with a condom on.
Okay, so I think we should wrap it up.
I think, yeah, we can wrap this one up.
So basically, the solution for everything is just fuck with a condom on.
Just
love
fuck
how we
with a
came
condom
back to
on.
this.
If there are some things that you find annoying about Indians we haven't covered, please write them in the comments below. We might do a part 2 of the things we've
Possibly,
missed.
because I think,
I don't
things we
think
missed,
that.
I
I'm
think
pretty
there's a
sure
lot.
there's enough and more to talk about when it comes to
Indians
annoying
being
things
stupid.
they
Yeah.
do.
By the way, there might be things we haven't covered in the podcast that we have covered in Aryo Chutia Part 1
And
and
Part
Aryo
2.
Chutia Part 2.
So you should
Yes.
definitely go check it out. The links are here.
Yeah.
And thanks so much for watching. See you guys next week.
Bye.
So we are not All India Comedy, East India Bakchod, the viral Bakchod. we are.
We are shits and giggles.
This is it, but मारूंगी तुम्हें. Where do you keep getting these?
Lamington Road.
Just shut up.
Hey, but baby, what is the problem?
Shut up. I don't even understand 30% of what you say.